Okay, so I'll give a summary of the key starting considerations for Brewing Group based on their current challenges. So I've focused on culture, leadership, prioritization, maturity, structure, and communication, not solutions, just the first logical steps, just like what the brief mentioned. BPG has no existing governance culture. The teams operate in silos with little shared understanding of data responsibilities. So the first logical step is to build a foundational awareness and a common language around data so that everyone in BPG will have the foundational knowledge that they need to have about the new data initiatives that BPG wants to implement. So why does this matter? This matter because if people in the organization don't understand governance, they won't adopt it. So that understanding is very, very important in a greenfield environment. To focus on is prioritization. We cannot fix everything at once. We need to prioritize based on business risk. We need to prioritize based on revenue impact, on customers' issue, and then the readiness of the organization, or with shortly and then with quick wins approach. And this enables early wins for us with BPG. So the third consideration is senior leadership engagement. So we need a very strong, visible executive sponsor, someone from finance, operations, or digital. A sponsor that must enforce or that can enforce expectations and then support resource allocation. That is very, very important when selecting our senior leadership engagements. And why this matters is because governance fails without senior backing. We need a backing from a governance fails without senior backing. We need a backing from a senior leadership engagement. Mission, the vision, and the charter. We need to define the mission, the vision, the scope, the principles, and a BPG specific definition of data governance, what data governance actually means to BPG as an organization. Because this particular prioritization is very important because it prevents confusion. And then it aligns everyone on the purpose of why we are implementing data governance, data management in the organization.